So you set up your photography business, but now what? Your Facebook page or Twitter handle? Yeah, that could happen. That could be what you focus on. But the reality is, if you're going to be a business owner, you need to act like it. So I'm going to give you the top 10 reasons to have a photography contract and some tips on how to make sure that you have one that is good for your business and not against your business. The first reason we have a photography contract is that it outlines client expectations. Clients don't just run out and get photographs taken every single day. We need to outline the expectations that we have of them, and also so that they can have an outline of expectations of what to expect from you. This is not only to cover you and your business, but to provide customer service. The second tip is that it holds your clients accountable. Let your client be the one that is subjected to the contract. Let them feel like the contract is talking to them, not you. Again, clients don't know what is expected, so use the contract with your policies to educate and hold these clients accountable to what is expected. This is going to get you a beneficial and successful photographer-client relationship. Many times clients want you to bend the rules for them, especially if it's a repeat client, friend, or family. Unless it's your mom, and then I say bend all you want. But having a formal contract is a great way to ease that awkward conversation. The third top reason is because it holds you accountable. Yes, you the photographer. The contract should outline what is expected and hold the client accountable, but it needs to hold you accountable as well. And so this is one way to help keep yourself in line. Not to say that you wouldn't anyways, but it also lends some buyer confidence and instills this in your clients to know that you will be legally accountable. The fourth top reason is because it reminds parties of responsibilities. Kind of the theme we've already gone so far. But having a contract is a good way to remind clients of policies that may be abstract in the normal course of conversation. It's not necessarily something that you're just going to drop in a conversation unless you happen to be a lawyer. For example, a photographer may not want to beat the client over the head about potential late fees if a client misses their ordering time, right? Because that doesn't really leave a good taste. But having your contract do it for you frees you up to develop that rapport and customer service experience and let the contract be the bad guy. The fifth top reason is that it highlights ownership of the artistic property. This is especially important if you sell digital files. In the digital age, it can be a common misconception that clients believe that they own the photographs just because they hired you. A contract allows for the photographer to put them on notice and write language about copyright ownership and cite appropriate laws, setting expectations and preventing any issues in the future. The sixth top reason is that it provides a professional relationship to the client. Clients who seek out custom portraiture also want a professional relationship. All professionals use contracts on a daily basis. Without one, there's a risk of not being trusted or being viewed as unprofessional. It will help set you apart. Reason number 7, it gives you a way to remedy client issues. Whether there may be an issue or misunderstanding, you can simply point to the contract to refer to the provisions and to any communications between you guys in order to clear up any potential issues. Reason number 8, it protects you both. Each party gets a sense of protection and the reality of protection by having all the responsibilities, expectations, and information outlined. The document and communications serve as evidence of the professional relationship. Number 9, and probably the most fun on this list, is that it gets you paid. Photographers with policies and contracts are more likely to be respected and more likely to be paid and valued by their clients. And the last reason is, it's the professional thing to do. If you're going to put yourself as a professional business, you need to act like a professional business. This was just a quick rundown of the top 10 reasons to have a photography contract. Head on over to TheLawTog.com to grab a free contract for download to use in your business as well. You can also sign up and get exclusive tips and legal information right to your inbox so you can rock your business to success.